Hello, my name is Denise Nataring, and today I will be explaining week 12 with access problem 7 about disposal of assets. The problem says, Diaz Company owns a machine that costs $176,300 and has accumulated depreciation for $93,600. Prepare the entry to record the disposal of the machine on January 1st in each separate situation. Number 1, record the disposal of the machine receiving nothing in return. For this entry, we are going to first eliminate the book value of the machine, crediting the asset account, which is machine, for the original cost, which is $126,300. And then we're going to debit accumulated depreciation for the amount recorded to date, which is $93,600. So the amount cash we receive is 0. This is less than the book value of the machine, which is $3,200,700. How do we get to this number? It's the difference between original cost, which is $26,300, and the accumulated depreciation, which is $93,600. But in this situation, we receive 0 for the machine, so we debit loss. We debit loss on disposal of machine for the amount the $32,700. Okay, so now we record the entry. So on number 2, it says record the sale of the machine for $16,900 cash. So remember, we always eliminate the book value, crediting the asset account for original cost. In this case, it's going to be machine, and the original cost is $126,300. Okay, and then we debit the accumulated depreciation, which is $93,600. Okay, it says the amount of cash we receive is $16,900. So we're gonna record the cash we receive. Okay, and now the amount of cash we receive is $16,900. This amount is less than the book value of the machine, which is $32,100. Therefore, we debit loss on sale of machine for the amount $15,800. And then we record the entry. The operation number 3 says the company sold the machine for $32,700. So remember, we first has to eliminate the asset account, in this case is machine, for the original value, which is $26,300, and we also debit accumulated depreciation for the original value, which is $93,600. So the amount of cash that we receive, it's $32,700. So we record this interest. As you can see, the the amount of cash that we receive is this, it has the same value of the, it's equal to the book value of the machine. So therefore, in this case, there's no gain or loss in the sale. So we record the amount of money we receive. So we record the entry. So on number 4, it says the company sold the machine for $40,900 cash. So remember, the first thing that we need to do is to credit the debit account, in this case machine, for the original value, which is 26,300, and we also debit accumulated depreciation for the original value. In this case is 93,600. Okay, so now it says that we receive cash. So we record the cash that we receive, which is 40,900. As we can see, the amount that we received for this transaction is over the book value of the machine, which is 32,700. So in this case, we credit gain on sale of the machine for the difference. In this case, it's $8,200. And we record the entry. So let's check our work. So everything is complete and correct. So I hope you find this tutorial useful to solve these entries. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on the video. Thank you and good luck.